What's up, investors? It is Myles with Myles G Investments, and welcome to the channel. Now, this very moment, Dogecoin is dropping. It is falling from this 8-cent level, and we are at 6 cents. Now, what is next for Dogecoin? Is Dogecoin going to continue its drop further, or are we going to see higher levels from this point? Is this a dip for Dogecoin? So in this video, we're going to be breaking Dogecoin down on the technical level so that we can figure out what is going on with Dogecoin, why it is selling off, and where we can see Dogecoin realistically in the relative short term, especially if we can get some more pumps by Elon Musk and other celebrities who are trying to bring this thing to $1. So stay tuned. Okay guys, please let me know in the comments below, what is your price target for Dogecoin by Valentine's Day? Now, there's been a lot of predictions that Ethereum is going to hit 2,500 by Valentine's Day, that Bitcoin is going to be seeing some crazy numbers. Now, what is your price target for Dogecoin by Valentine's? Let me know in the comments below. All right, guys, before we get started in the video, make sure you guys subscribe so you do not miss out on any important content that I put out. Because when I put out videos, I am calling out big plays before they happen. And I'm very accurate like a sniper. So make sure you guys subscribe. And also make sure to smash that like button so we can get this content out to more people, and it really helps to support and grow my channel because I do this for you guys. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Myles, and I like to put out videos that cover cryptocurrencies and stocks. But I like to cover things that can help you grow your money quick, fast, and securely. So if you're interested in that type of content, make sure you also subscribe and smash the like button, because I try to put out videos every single day. And if I'm not able to, it's because there's an important reason that is keeping me back in my life, but I'm going to try to put out videos every single day. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Also, make sure you join the Discord. The link is below and it is free. And also the links for my Patreon are below if you want to support the channel. If you want to be part of my financial services, my financial coaching, make sure you guys check that out. And also, just a little bit more about me. I have 12 years of investment and trading experience in finance. So I'm not just a YouTuber, but I'm a guy with true knowledge and experience. So let's go ahead and get started in the video. All right, guys, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. However, we are looking at Dogecoin right now and it has dropped off tremendously. We need to go ahead and take a look at this price action because it has certainly digressed. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at this price action because Dogecoin has fallen off, but we are in the 7-cent level. We are nearly about to possibly break 6 cents again, but it is not looking like it based on these wicks. These wicks came down, some big profit taking, and touched the 6-cent mark, but we quickly came back up. It was bought back up at these levels, so that is showing a strong level of support as we are continuing this channel, this positive upside uptrend, and this thing is continuing to rise. So guys, I believe that we are going to continue to break higher levels with Dogecoin, especially as Elon Musk and other celebrities are pumping this thing up, so that we could possibly see 10 cents within the next 24 hours or to 72 hours. If we do not come up and hit 10 cents within the next several days, it is most likely that we could see a retracement, a bigger correction into the 6 to 5 cent level, especially as we saw some gaps earlier. We gapped up from the 4 to 5 cent level. There were some gaps on certain charts, so that is something to be aware of. However, it is looking like Dogecoin is holding up strong like a true champion, and this thing is getting bought up at these low levels. So I encourage, and what I'm doing is I'm going to be purchasing Dogecoin in these dips, and I will be selling when I can make some nice profits. So keep an eye on these dips and maybe consider purchasing on these dips so that you can maximize your profit in Dogecoin and in your investments in Dogecoin. So from the all-time high, what we are seeing is a 30% drop. That is a healthy correction, especially after coming up from 1 penny to 8 cents. It was less than a penny to 8 cents. It's like 1,500%, which is 15 times the original price that we saw just a couple of weeks ago. So that is massive, but we need to go ahead and create a pattern. All right, guys, so what I'm able to draw by using these levels of support and resistance, we are able to create this uptrend, and we are trading we are certainly trading 100% in an uptrend. Even if we come down to retrace to where this might be about 5 cents, even if we come down to retrace, if we can continue to bounce off this level of support that we are seeing, we bounce here, we bounce here, we touched here, or we're probably looking on maybe bouncing somewhere right here, but it's looking like that we're going to be retracing at a little bit lower level. This might not happen, but we might be bought up right here, and we might rise and see some greater action, which we could break out of this upwards channel. So if we break out in this upwards channel to 10 cents, we could see a ridiculously higher price movement to 14 cents to 15 cents. So this is certainly we need to be keeping an eye on, and based on where we break out, if we break out to the upside, which is looking certainly possible being bought up at this level, it's showing a stronger level of support. It is showing a stronger price movement and price action that we could certainly easily break out with this strong price movement to 10 cents or above. And if we break out of here, this could be a great sign that Dogecoin is going to be holding up in the long term and in the relative short term. But if we break down here, it's certainly going to be an area of caution that we must consider, because we could break to a downtrend and a downtrend channel, which is something we must be truly concerned about. But we can tread safely in this area that we are currently at in this uptrend. So we are 100% in an uptrend, and it is looking like we are getting some more volume to push us up possibly to 9 cents to 10 cents to all-time highs just this week. So it's looking like this week alone, and maybe by Valentine's Day, we could see 12 cents or so. We could see at least 10 cents. It is very possible, especially if we get some more pumps on Twitter by Elon Musk, by these other celebrities, that we could truly see maybe $1 in just a couple of months if they continue to pump this thing up, if more people begin to get involved, if we all come together, if we hold on for dear life, we could certainly see some big price movement and possibly see $1. Now, what is also helping is that other cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they just continue to go up and up and up and up. And whenever Bitcoin is going up, and whenever we see Ethereum going up, it just brings up, for the most part, the entire crypto market. And if the entire crypto market can be carried by Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin and these other leaders, that could certainly help out our case to get to $1 with Dogecoin. So it is certainly something also to consider, that Dogecoin might also be a great investment, because we are at a $10 billion valuation already. There's $10 billion around the world that are involved in this market cap of Dogecoin. So we could certainly be seeing higher levels based on that. We are in an uptrend. We could certainly see higher levels as we continue to rise up and up each and every week and every couple of days. So that is my opinion. I think that we can easily hit 10 cents within the next couple of days. But if it doesn't happen, we are holding these levels of support. We are continuing to break all-time highs. We are continuing to grow. So that is a great sign just in the short term, but it can also be a good sign for us in the future. So if you guys like today's video, please hit that like button and make sure to subscribe so you do not miss out on any more content. And make sure to check out my last video on Bitcoin. So thank you guys all so much for your support, and I will see you soon.